Dear friends, today I will talk about methods of structural analysis. So just I am making classification. We are having force method and another we are having displacement method. Right. So force method is also known as flexibility method. Other name is compatibility method. Here displacement method is also known as stiffness method. Stiffness method or equilibrium method. Now we have to know where and in which case we have to apply force method or displacement method. So remember one thing, when static indeterminacy ds is less than kinematic indeterminacy, we are going for force method, and in other case when kinematic indeterminacy dk is less than static indeterminacy, we are going for displacement method. Now we should know which are different methods under force method and which are different methods under displacement method. So for example, here I can name some few methods like virtual work method. Virtual work, it is also known as unit load method. Then unit load method, that is actually you can say Castigliano's second theorem. Okay, so this is second theorem of Castigliano. Then three moment theorem. This is also known by name Clapeyron's three moment theorem. I am writing in short. Okay, then another is method of consistent deformation. Then column analogy method. So there are a lot of method under force method. We are having elastic center method also. Okay, then we are having Maxwell-Moore equation. Okay, so these are number of methods under force method. Just we have to remember the name, and where we have to apply, that also we should know the condition. Similarly, in displacement method, we can give some examples. See, many times they are asking match the following questions in IES, and even in GATE exam also they can ask you which method. They can ask you match the following and all that type of questions. So here you should know slope deflection. One is slope deflection method. Second is moment distribution. Force method, displacement method, we are having SD method, moment distribution method. Then one is Carney's method. Then minimum potential energy method. Here we are having Castigliano's first theorem. Okay, so first theorem is exactly opposite of second theorem. In force method, we are having example of Castigliano's second theorem, which is also known as virtual work method or unit load method. And Castigliano's first theorem is under displacement method, and another is stiffness matrix method. Okay, we all know stiffness matrix method also. Here also you can add flexibility matrix. Okay, so here, which I am just adding here, flexibility matrix method. So this is just one classification where you should know the different types of methods available for structural analysis. Thank you very much.